Hi, my name is Macarena and today I'm here in one of the R&D accelerator kitchens from Nestlé, joined by Chef Sheldon.
Hi, I'm Sheldon Fernandes. I'm the Global Head of R&D Chefs in Nestlé.
Can you tell us a bit more? How do you do it? What's the role you play as chefs?
We are involved in the innovation front end where we're getting ideas, etc. But then we also need to make sure that it's possible to actually create a product. We like to go back, deconstruct where things start.
So today what we are cooking?
This is the product in its raw format. It's a fillet of fish which has been crumbed.
And why did you want to bring a plant-based fish option?
With consumers, they would like to enjoy the goodness of fish, the taste, the texture, but in a more sustainable manner. All these seaweed that you see, they bring very unique texture and flavor elements. A lot of minerals. That fish flavor that you get is coming from a lot of minerals. So what we've done here today is have the fish fillet which has been cooked in an air fryer.
Okay.
So all this is a sauce, a little bit of salsa on there.
Very versatile.
Exactly, very versatile. And now we're going to do my fish melt, one of my favorite dishes. I've cooked it at 200 for 9 minutes. I'm going to use a vegan mayo. Then we have some red onions, capers, jalapenos, your favorite cilantro, and also Tommy chili. You mix all of this together.
It's a real full meal because you have so many rich ingredients.
Now we're going to build the sandwich.
Okay.
Sprinkle a little bit of olive oil and then rub some garlic. And then we go with cheddar. Often everyone thinks that we make amazing food, but we are also constructing and creating that product.
It's great to see the passion of chefs brought into the full R&D team and really create products and innovations. Let's see. The crunchy, the bread, the sauce. It's such a balanced dinner.
I always say this, that I learned the cooking skills in gastronomy, but I learned about food in Nestlé.
Thank you so much for today. It's been really a pleasure to do this together with you.